the match victorious.
This then, how the home team is lining up.
Off we go. Let's hope for some goals then today.
And that's a throw-in.
Finds his teammate.
He showed a bit too much to the opposition there.
Ball's crossed the line, it's out of play. That's nicely played.
Good ball. Well cut out.
Oh, shocking challenge.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch.
Back towards the centre.
And here's a chance. And the keeper really glad that wasn't on target. I'm not sure he'd have got to that.
That first shot missed the goal. They'll have to sharpen up. Lovely pass.
Lovely passing here.
He's given the referee a decision to make here. That is a...
Get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I
Headed on.
Passed well.
Confident pass. That's a crack. And that's well over. The replay will give us a closer look. Passed inside. Good distribution.
That's good link-up play.
Good ball.
Picked up by the defender.
Here's the shot.
Good effort there. That was so close to being a goal. Let's see it again. Well, and
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
It's 0-0 so far. Surely both teams are going to try and get the breakthrough in this second half.
volleyed forward.
That's nicely played.
Oh, determined challenge there.
He's headed the ball forward.
Can he finish it? He made it with true conviction. Deadly finish.
Just what they needed. A great goal. The favourites have struck first. Will the floodgates open now? Perfectly executed.
Confident goalkeeping there.
The attacker is in possession. Finds his teammate.
And he's won it back for his team.
That's a terrible tackle.
And now De Bruyne. Passed well.
Confident pass. Headed on.
Well read. That's good link-up play.
Good distribution. Finds his teammate. Shoots. An easy save. It looks like they're going to do it.
Let's take another look at that wonderful save.
Good ball.
He's found an opening.
Good save.
Oh, I'm looking forward to seeing that great save again.
Now it's Vlahovic. And it could be a chance here.
Oh, the keeper's blocked that one.